I'm not gonna.
Cheers.
Tuss, what'd you see out there?
You missed the guy spiked the glass down on the floor.
What?
So what'd you see out there, Tuts? In the game.
See some trees?
Yeah, how big are those trees?
They're pretty big trees. They're not green yet.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
How's the game, Kyle?
He's clashing with those clans, you know?
Dude, best game ever. Let me get this.
I got it.
Good Joe with
A little tired there, Joe?
Yeah, it's hard watching the other period.
That Hooters girl kept them up all night.
Did you get in trouble? Sitting in the corner?
Yeah, I'm in timeout. Hey, I got 0 penalties.
Face that wall, Joe.
Yeah, turn around, please.
Better now.
Ladies out there.
Go on.
What? I'm still eating it.
Alright, I got it.
Let's go.
Eating bruschetta.
Really good.
With Mitch in the background.
I don't have a plate.
Get yourself a plate, you dirty man. It's on the plate.
That was really good. Holy crap.
Brandon there, learning how to make a snorri on Snapchat. You can't do it.
Oh, we've got an iron too. You just set on the iron. That works pretty good.
That could have been really bad. Oh! Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, he wants to suck some in?
The method. Beta. You're too close, man.
You're not at the right angle. You're going to be able to tell.
Look closely. Look even closer. Because the closer you look.
You got it?
Anyone? Now you see me? Quote. What are you guys are scared?
Make me a bicycle climb.
Just do it. Anything to do.
We've seen this one already.
It's the only one I know.
It already disappeared. I thought it was already. I thought it was still on the table.
This clown sucks.
Wait, is it there now?
It might be. I don't know yet. I'm deciding what I want to do.
Decide faster, clown.
Alright, so it's there. I'm gonna try and make it disappear. And it's disappeared.
Black magic.
Hey.
Hey, oh my god.
I'll show you some black.
Oh my god.
It's in my pocket.
Whoa!
How'd it get there? This kid's amazing. Somebody tip this guy.
Quit, turn it black.
Whoa!
We're not going back.
We don't have a ton of time, dude. It's 6 o'clock. By the time we actually got it here, it's going to be 6:15.
Yeah, there's no way we're going back.
Our game's at 7:30.
We're not? What time? What time is it? I have a dead phone. Who has an iPhone 5 charger with him? I gotta go back too. You guys can't survive with a dead phone? I mean, I have a mother who doesn't have anybody else's phone number here.
Do you know your mom's number?
No.
You're a terrible son.
Yeah.
She's going to think you're a murderer if you don't text her for an afternoon?
No, mine will.
She's here.
Oh, yeah, look at the
She plans on hanging
concentration.
out with us after the game, so
That
that's why my
is
phone's
pure
on.
concentration.
Buddy. I wanted to just go down my sleeve. Big hands.
You already showed him the hands.
Is he? I didn't see any.
You can't open your hands. I tell him to pick and then close them. Keep doing magic. I bet you HBO will pick this up in a second.
Yeah, how much batteries? Right. Regular quarter, U.S. currency. Pick a hand.
Nice move, great hands out in front. McLeod from Dare, a beautiful pass by Dare. McLeod made no mistake with those hands, nice soft hands in front of the net. Plenty of time here, 1:17 to go. Florida Gulf Coast is up 3-2 on Eastern Michigan. 10.7 seconds to go in this 3-2 hockey game. Florida Gulf Coast up 3. Eastern Michigan 2. Coach is trying to get some ideas into his team. Dare can't win the draw, goes into the corner. Caffone's working for it, but Eastern Michigan gets it out there. It's sitting in front. They can't get it out, and that's going to go in. Tommy Hill just turns and wheels it with 1.4 seconds to get the empty netter and put this game away. Number 3, Tommy Hill. And that's going to do it.